Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Mr. Powery here, and I'm giving you very good news. I'm introducing you number 100 on Glidden Lane single family home. Ladies and gents, this is a brand new listing, 3 bed, 3 bathroom, single family home. The lot size is .30, it's quarter of an acre. Ladies and gents, it's got a lot of room for a pool, double car garage you can see on the back there. And this house is just hit the market. It is actually for sale right now, $575,000 only. There is no properties on the whole West Bay, no single family home in the whole West Bay on that price range. Actually, nothing on the $600,000. So, ladies and gents, I know this house is gonna go quickly. So don't take it too long. Contact me today to receive more information about the property. And we're gonna be arranging an open house next week, Saturday, June the 24th. Only one chance you have to come and see the house. Next week, Saturday, June the 24th, from 12 to 2, you are all invited to come and experience, to check this beautiful house.